Hi guys, this is Starseed Energy 1111. This is my situations 22.22. Hope you're having a lovely day. So we're going to read from the top. New job offer. Good luck. Lottery win. Check your mailbox, money is coming. No one like you. Don't reject me, divine feminine, divine masculine. Let me prove myself. I'm missing your cooking, divine feminine, divine masculine. Robots, AI versus humans. Supernaturalevent. Buy hurricane preparedness kit. Food scarcity. A missile launch. A hurricane. Getting your money now this week. And unexpected news. Good news. That's all we have. So I hope this message has resonated with you. If it did,